What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness. The fitness you can eat. So it's still kind of cold, right? Well, we need something to warm us up. What's a good solution? How about some chili, vegetarian style? Let's get started. So this is totally simple. We're gonna start with the onions first. I've already got some oil, what do I have in here? I have some olive oil in here, all ready to go. So I'm gonna take my onions, and I'm just gonna saute these for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna add in the celery right after that. All right, these have been going for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna add in the celery. And we're adding them obviously next because you don't want a crunchy chili. That's not cool. So we're gonna add these in now. Mix them in with the mushrooms Haha, I am doing well today. We are gonna mix them in with the onions and let them soften up a bit before we start to add everything else in. Now remember, this is your chili, so if you want to add in something that I didn't add to my ingredients list, then by all means, go right ahead. But this is what I like, so that's what I'm gonna put in here. I was thinking about adding chickpeas. I might still do that, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, so this is ready to go. We're gonna add in the spices right now. So I'm adding in the parsley, the flakes, the white pepper, and what was that? What was that? I put that in there. You know, you have the list. Great. And we're gonna add in the paste as well. Mix that up really quick. All right, now we're gonna add in the tomato sauce. You're gonna add the whole can in, and then you're gonna add some water in a little bit later because you're gonna see, obviously, you're gonna need to, otherwise it's gonna be too thick. Cool, okay, now we're gonna add in the black beans and the kidneys, and the kidney beans. Great, all right. Just dump them right in there. That is awesome. Ooh, yes. All right, now like I said, I'm gonna add in a little bit of water. So just so you can see how much I'm putting in, it's about a cup. And of course, the last part is the tofu. Mix that right in there. All right, so now that everything is combined, the hard part is having to wait. I say give this about an hour and let all the flavors really combine and, you know, talk to each other, all right? So give it about an hour, put it on simmer and just let it sit. Go and play a video game, go read a book, go outside, you know, call your mom, all right? Really good. Oh yeah. It's got a bit of a kick with the pepper, and it's got like sort of a spicy, deeper flavor going on with the bay leaves, and it's really good. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new, warm, delicious recipes like this one. That's it from me. I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.